Kublai pi baro kini longi kubor bam dagasngi. Commentary ka kot ka kya kong Ampareen ning do hagasngi ning kong kalapan ni ka kaipon naga Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science Negrims Halor ka Jingiap Samla obalawan sya sumar hapo ka hospital na ka Jingmensaw hagajing accident kali hadam sad hagasngi ublay. Hoon yalapan ni kakaipon, kashithi jonga kadang shilay show director ka Negrims, dahil kajing kermen bangan sa sotho kamba ya ka ay kabadya, ong ka kong Ampareen habay kran baginong to kubor. Nga pa ya kajing skolem siya kibahayeng kibla no yala uba iyit baton, bar nga kular ya kani kalong yeng bangan tokit banan kali ya ka ay kabadya kalabenram. Hagaski ublay kajing kulmar kalami hapo ka emergency unit jong ka Negrims, hadien ba uwi usamla ulayam na kajing mensaw. Ibahayeng uni usamla kila keno baka hospital kala le bom sutnyo ya gajing sumar bar ba omsyam la dan doktor satya hapo ka hospital haga bala shu I ya uni usamla banthia mensaw kalam gajing sumar hadu san kenta haba kali ka menteri kala ong bakam dan bor satya ban pha ya kanu gajing tokit halor kane ka jingjia haba penpau baga Negrims kadai jong ka sarkar pedeng ka kong Ampareen ningdo kala ong bagadai par ka kamram jong ka sarkar jilla bakan don ki khmat bar kishkor halor kane ka hospital kala pentip ru bakan sawat ikajing shisha la kadai ne em ba omsham la don doctor hagatai ka hospital haga por ba wanra ya uni usamla uba mensaw la pentip syanga bagi don ki doctor kena kumta ngala kerpat yu director ka Negrims ba un pentip syanga yiki eki baro ki bajia Hadin kani hoon ngan sala ban pentip ikirai ban sa shimbat u kalapindra.
Informed that on the day of the occurrence of this very unfortunate situation that occurred in Negrims, there were junior doctors already on duty that evening, and there were CMOs or medical officers already also attending to the patient. I don't know exactly what happened. In order to understand the situation completely, I have requested the director of Negrims to share with me information on what proceeded to that conflict that occurred in Negrims and what were the reasons that there was a loss of life in this entire conflict. I will await for that letter, but preliminary I have been told that there were doctors.
Well, considering this incident, it looks like there is a serious lapses on the part of the management of Negrims.
Negrims is a central organization, but because it functions in the state of Meghalaya, we can also be the caretakers on behalf of the public, and we can request them and we can ask them what were the reasons for occurrences of any incidences in their property while attending to patients. And I will await for that official reply of the director Negrims, but at least I know that there were doctors. So let us see, let us wait for that, and I am very disturbed that happened, and I'm very disturbed to know that a very young person lost his life. Whether or not it was because of lapses of medical assistance or whether or not there were other factors for the loss of that life will be ascertained once I receive a report from the director of Negrims.